Windsurfing is a pretty thrill-seeking type of outdoor sport. Do you ever wonder how they master it and ride those waves the way they do? A blend of surfing and sailing, windsurfing offers an all-around thrilling ride on the waves driven by the force of the wind. Today, Nautical Outdoors will unravel the secrets of windsurfing, breaking it down into simple, accessible steps for anyone with a love for adventure in the sea. Imagine standing on a surfboard, harnessing the energy of the wind with a sail and letting it propel you across the water. That, in essence, is windsurfing. Yet, as with any sport, there's more than meets the eye. It all starts with choosing the right gear. A beginner windsurfer should opt for a wide, stable board and a small sail, which are easier to balance and control. As you grow more proficient, you can graduate to a narrower board and a larger sail for a faster, more challenging ride. Next, understand the wind and your position. Windsurfing relies heavily on wind direction and strength. Always keep an eye on the weather forecast and remember, the wind should be coming from behind you or from the side, never directly in front of you. Now, it's time to set sail. Place one foot on either side of the board's mast foot, where the sail is attached. Grasp the uphaul, a rope attached to the sail, and pull it towards you to lift the sail out of the water. Once the sail is up, grab the boom, a horizontal bar attached to the sail, with both hands. The hand closer to the mast controls the direction, while the other adjusts the speed. Stand up straight, lean back slightly, and let the wind fill the sail. Steering is all about shifting your weight and adjusting the sail. To turn to the right, lean the mast to the left. To go left, lean the mast to the right. Remember, it's not about physical strength, but balance and finesse. And now the most exhilarating part, catching a wave. Once you've built some speed, look for a wave to ride. As it approaches, lean back, pushing down on the tail of the board. This lifts the nose, allowing you to glide smoothly over the wave. Falling is part of the process. Don't shy away from it. Instead, embrace it as a learning experience. Each fall brings you one step closer to perfecting your windsurfing skills. To recap, mastering windsurfing involves choosing the right gear, understanding wind direction, setting up the sail, steering, catching a wave, and embracing the falls. It's a challenging yet rewarding sport that offers a unique blend of speed, agility, and connection with nature. Remember, windsurfing is not just about the destination, but the journey. It's about harnessing the wind, riding the waves, and finding your rhythm on the water. It's about the thrill of the ride, the joy of learning, and the satisfaction of mastering a new skill. So, gear up, set sail, and let the wind guide you on your windsurfing adventure.